Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a 3D model of a coffee bag. Let's select a model among the packaging from the library of 3D models. This 3D model suits us. Let's take a closer look at it. Just what we need. Let's create a new project. This is what our default model looks like. Let's start setting up materials. Before setting up the materials, let's disable drop shadow to make it more convenient. Let's start with setting up the bag element. In the materials gallery, we will select the material that suits us. Next, let's change the color of the material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's make it smoother and softer by changing the material settings. Looks just like the real packaging. Let's move on to the clip element. Here we will also change the material. Great. Now let's copy these settings and apply them to the bag edges element. Let's go to the environment settings. Here, we will change the rim light and spotlight settings. Here, we'll set up the lighting horizontally and vertically to highlight the curves of our coffee bag, like this. Now let's add a design to our 3D model. To add the design, you can click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our coffee bag. Let's add the first design element. In the opened window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. See how in this left window, the position of our design on the 3D model is always displayed in real time. You can change the opacity to place the design on the UV map more accurately. Now let's apply the design to the back of the coffee bag. Click on the Add Image button to do this. Great. Next, we will add design elements to the side parts of the coffee bag. Now let's unfold the model and add the design to the bottom of the package. Save the design. I really like the result. Let's make our design more exclusive and individual. Select the design layer to activate it. Next, let's change the design material. This material is very interesting in my opinion. We will tweak this material and then we'll add some volume to it. Looks amazing. The next step is to place the background for our 3D model. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent! You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Saving the project. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Share it with colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating coffee bag design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.